contact approach 125.75, yes.
Alright, what was that again? We just got a lightning strike, Skywest 4690.
4690, roger, and do you need any assistance?
Not this time, I don't see anything, nothing's going on here, but what was that frequency again?
2575, so 4690.
2575, Skywest 4690, we'll see, yeah, that was off my left side, it was, that was right on my left side there, yeah.
Southwest 168, contact approach 125.75, good day.
12575, Southwest 168, good day. Southwest 168, leveling 11,000.
Southwest 168, Denver approach, roger. It'll smooth out at 11, I'll have lower in a minute. Somebody keeps transmitting, it's not readable. Southwest 168, try to maintain 9 or 1,000.
Down to 9,000, Southwest 168.
Something's wrong with that radio.
Yeah, we got a lightning strike.
Southwest 168, roger. Do you require assistance and do you want to declare an emergency?
Yeah, if you just expedite us to the field.
Southwest 168, roger. I'm going to declare it upon your behalf. Say fuel on board and souls remaining. I'll expedite you.
Alright, currently 14,400 pounds. And,
Southwest 168, I didn't catch the souls.
I'll get that to you.
Okay, roger. United 746, turn left heading 2 on the local market.
Alright, you're blocked. What was it?
United 746 heading 200, join the local market.
200 to join the loc, United 746.
Southwest 168, maintain 7,000, just acknowledge with an ident.
And approach code 5404.
Cut 5404, approach standby. Southwest 168, if you hear me, just try to maintain 7,000 and turn left heading 260. Southwest 168, turn left heading 260. Southwest 168, if you hear my transmission, just ident. Southwest 168, turn left heading 200, maintain 7,000 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 17 left approach.
Approach United 2288, 11,400, descending via.
United 2288, Denver approach, roger. Rad smooth out around 11,000. One aircraft got a lightning strike in that area. Southwest 168, turn left heading 200. You're 2 from grips, maintain 7,000 until established. Cleared ILS, runway 17 left approach, just acknowledge with an ident. Southwest 4199, reduce speed 170 until Irene. Company in front of you got a lightning strike, they're not answering me.
Roger, we were just had him in sight, but now we lost him, so we'll float to 170, Southwest 4199.
Got 5404 to set to maintain 8,000.
Maintain 8,000, code 5404.
Southwest 168, if able, 17 knots until Irene and acknowledge with an ident. United 2288, set to maintain 7,000.
7,000 United 2288, and we just received a lightning strike as well.
United 2288, roger. Do you require assistance?
No.
Southwest 168, Denver Tower acknowledges you are cleared to land on runway 17 left and acknowledge with an ident.
Where are all these lightning strikes?
I don't, who's asking?
That was 5404.
They are behind you, like got the mirror put on the downwind.
Okay, thanks.
Southwest 168, so you can try Denver Tower on 124.3. It sounds like you're having radio trouble.
Southwest 168, if you are on frequency, you are clear to land runway 17 left, wind is 130 at 10.
Tower United 746, how much space do we have between us and that emergency aircraft behind us?
Yeah, 746, you have 8 miles.
Okay.
Southwest 168 Denver Tower, runway 17 left, clear to land, wind 120 at 11. If you hear this transmission, please ident. Southwest 168, ident is observed, thank you. Op 7, the emergency aircraft is next to land, runway 17 left. And Op 7, just be advised, he is having radio problems, so I'm going to just continue his taxiing him northbound on Papa.